Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lorena. In today's video, I will be doing another table skirting design for a baby shower, and it's a baby shower for a baby boy. As you've seen the situation right now, I already have backdrop set up, but that one is not finished yet, so I will be doing the table first, and then I will proceed to the balloon garland. So the balloon garland will be a separate video, guys. So the tutorial of that one will be linked in the description box, or up here, or at the end of this video. By the way, guys, I would like to thank you all for coming to my YouTube channel. So welcome, guys. Welcome to my new subscribers. By the way, guys, if you are new here, welcome, guys, to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And also, guys, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like DIY video. So when it comes to like DIY table skirting, these two is my go-to kind of material: safety pins and sewing pins. Yeah, and then also we are needing a white tablecloth. So when I do setup, guys, I normally work on mga white materials, light color kind of materials, because they are easy to work with. If you are here and you are been watching my videos for matagal na, and you've noticed I'm always using mga mostly white backdrop, white tablecloth, and white table skirting, because for me it's very like soft lang siya sa mata, and hindi siya like shocking. yeah, basta yon, mostly white lang, and then accent with your theme kind of, you know, like this one right now. So yeah, so this decoration that I will be doing today is for a baby shower. Yes, so if I have event, guys, it's always here in our house, para easy lang sa akin to do the setup. And then two satin white fabric. So you've seen these fabrics already in my previous video. Yan yung mga setup that I did na using these two white fabrics. I love these two. Yeah. And then, guys, we are needing this kind of material. This one is soft brown sheer fabric. I got 3. Yeah, so we need 3. By the way, guys, materials and measurements will be listed in the description box. Maingay dito, maingay. So by the way, guys, materials and measurements will be listed in the description box. Please check it out, para if mag-question kayo, nandun na sa description box. And sometimes matagal ako mag-reply, baka tapos na yung event nyo, hindi ko pa na-replyan yung comment nyo. So measurements and materials will be listed in the description box. Yeah, please check it out. Yeah, kung may event kayo and you think na gusto nyong gayahin yung aking setup, yeah, check nyo lang yung description box ko, guys. So what you're gonna do, guys, if you have this kind of setup, all you have to do is cover the table with white fabric. And then, guys, while doing that, you need to secure the side. You need to secure this part right here by using a sewing pins. It's up to you how you're going to do it, but you need to secure this one so that the tablecloth won't slide. By the way, guys, marami pala akong By the way, guys, I have lots of people to do shout out, but I have limited time to do this setup. I will do that later, yeah. I will do that later if I have time. So mag-work muna ako. So I'll do this one first. Then after the setup, if I have spare time, I'll do shout out. Okay. So then after this, I'm just pinning the side. So after putting your tablecloth on the table, so now we need to do the table skirting. So I'll grab the white fabric, also this brown fabric. This is like brown sheer kind of material, brown sheer. So this is the first time I will be doing like layer kind of table skirting. You need to put these two fabric on top of each other. And then guys, we need the safety pins, that one, and just pin them together like this. And safety pin it. So we'll create this kind of situation there. So and then find the center of the table and place this where the center of the table, like that. Or maybe we'll do the side first. Yeah. Make sure guys you use the big safety pins. Yeah, that's that. See? You put these two together and then pin here. This is the first time I did this kind of design for the table. Like that. Just leave a gap here like 1.5 inches or 2 inches gap, and then grab a sewing pins. Grab a sewing pins and then pin this too. the end bits. Right. So now we have this fabric going on. So what we're gonna do, should like do this para hindi obvious, yeah. I know guys, if you're watching this video and you think it's hard to do, yeah, parang mahirap siya gawin, but for me, easy lang siya. Nice, see? It's not obvious that there is. Right, let's go to the other side. So now we're on the other side of the table. We need to just fold it para walang edges. Just fold this like that and start pinning here. It's nice to work the materials, guys. You can just tweak it the way how. So you can tweak your designs. Depend on, you can just like pin these two together. So like that, you can attach these two. And then after that, we're just gonna wrap this fabric around the table. So there are lots of fabric that's so you can just like pin this at the back on the table and you'll be good.